Very good morning, class. So this is the notes of lesson number 2, sources of corporate finance. As you all know, I don't put the objective question, which I've already mentioned in the previous video. You will get answers related to question number 1H part, that is answer in one sentence. So as you can see, the very first question, what is a share? I've written all the details, so you can refer to your textbook and do the markings. What are equity shares? Second one, what are preference shares? Then you have what are retained earnings? Then the next one, what is a debenture? What is a bond? In which country can ADR be issued, GDR be issued? What are convertible debentures? And what are cumulative preference shares? I've also told this before, I have not omitted any questions, class, as per the syllabus which have come. Next is, I have written question number 2, explain the concept. So you will get all the answers point wise. In this way, if you write in the exam, it will be very good, as well as it will highlight the presentation part as well. All the brief answers should be written point wise as per the board rules. So you can just see and write accordingly. This is question number 2. What is the meaning of owned capital? This answer you can get. The answer has been continued. Coming to the third one, what is plowing back of profit? So you can go through this answer as well. You can pause the video and do the needful. Fourth one, what is overdraft? What is trade credit? Then we come to question number 3, case studies. Question number 1, there are 3 sub-questions in that. Question number 2, again has 3 sub-questions in it. Question number 3, again A and B part you can see. And there is the third part as well, the C part. So this covers question number 1, H part, that is answer in one sentence. Question number 2 and question number 3. Moving forward with question number 4, you have distinguish between. So all the answers are given ready-made over here. There are, I guess, 3 distinguish betweens with smart code I've written. So you can refer to the previous videos in order to understand the smart code. Then you have question number 5, answer in brief. What is a public deposit? What is GDR? What is a trade credit? What are the schemes for disbursement of credit by the bank? What are the features of bonds? Coming to question number 7, answer the following questions. So I've written the page numbers along with the smart code, so you can refer that. Then you have what is debenture, explain its types, its features. Then you have justify the following statements. You can get the answers of this as well. I've written point wise, which I feel are not given properly in the textbook. So I've made the points from here and there and made them into an answer for your reference. So if you all want, you can refer and study the same answers and note them down. You have the 4th question of justify. Then the 5th one, public deposit is a good source of short-term financing. Bondholder is the creditor of the company. Trade credit is not considered as a cash loan. Different investors have different preferences. Own capital, borrowed capital, sources. So with this class, this is the end of the notes of 2nd chapter. I hope you find this beneficial and useful. If you do, please share the link with all your other friends and tell them to also to subscribe for the channel in order to get more updates. So I stop here. Thank you so much for listening to me.